everybody, guess what? There's an isolated thunderstorm in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's in the middle of summer, and I don't know why these thunderstorms just come and ruin your day. I guess nature needs rain and thunder, or lightning. Hopefully you'll see some lightning and the fence is covering up the storm cloud. In the last video I made, I deleted it, but there was lightning right beside us. And hopefully you'll get some lightning. Well, this area is clear right here. I don't know if there's lightning in those clouds. Whoa!
Did you get it?
I saw a bright lightning bolt.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Let's play it back.
No. Let's wait for some other lightning to strike. I'll zoom in. Whoa!
Did you get it?
Yeah. I'm looking through the camera, so I'm going to see lightning on the camera. Or in the frame. Whatever you want to call it. Yep, there's definitely a thunderstorm. Okay, so that's all the lightning you'll get. So that's it.